Here my PDF file. Currently this PDF file is not a fillable PDF file, as you can see. Now I'll show you the easiest way to convert this PDF to fillable PDF using Adobe Acrobat. All you have to need, go to your Adobe Acrobat, click on File, click on Open. Once the PDF file successfully opened with your Adobe Acrobat, then go to Tools section. Under Tools, click on Prepare Form. Click on Start, and your PDF file will automatically convert to a fillable PDF file. Here we can see all options or fields automatically added to my PDF. Now just clicking on Preview, and here I can now easily fill up this form. Now let's save this PDF file. Just pressing Ctrl S and saving my PDF file here. Now going to my browser and opening the converted PDF, and here we can see now I can easily fill up this form.